Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's financial part 5 ways to sell your skill online make money providing service. Discovery this post may constant affiliate links, meaning I get a commission if you detect to make a purchase a sign up target my link on cost to your resold disclaimer and to do you have your some skills you are wondering how to monetize. Here are some particles ways can sell your skill online. 5 when to sell online skill with increase rating of jobs organization more people are shifting to working from these homes. The internet does read offer a great option to make good money. However, you are just how to and with yourself. You just a big something getting the thing running online areas be bring available make money can be trick offer your make are expert you can but this first client are building getting that earn some cash provide difficulty are recommend jobs that said skill you are needed to crowdfunding every skill running using how to will be client your skill the most improvement before interest you are selling to skill let the client buy the benefit he will receive is result your skill before some online marketing overweight which complete introduction is a most much there are many jobs you are needed to start out create a complete advanced agents complete basic your degree and we have good for for example the benefits your sales might increase tables the once the physical benefit increasing like receiving customer and portable amount after on the other hand benefit my constant of time effect less mad and zero health with this in maths you can